Welcome to Anti-Aging Insights, where age is a state of mind and aging is a treatable condition. And now, here is your host, Dr. Teri Fisher.
Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Anti-Aging Insights. I am your host, Dr. Teri Fisher, with all the latest in the world of aesthetic medicine. As always, thank you for tuning in today. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic, and it's really at the heart of what I do every single day. And this is all about the art and the science of natural results in aesthetic medicine. And I really want to emphasize the natural part, and that's really what today's show is all about. So let's get started. When it comes to aesthetic medicine, achieving a natural look is paramount. We've all seen those overdone results that make someone look unnatural or unrecognizable. We've seen these way too often on social media. That's not what I aim for when I am here. My mantra in aesthetic medicine is all about sculpted confidence. And in my mind, what that means is helping you to achieve the best version of yourself, but that means making sure that you are a natural looking version of yourself. It's about enhancing your natural beauty so that you look refreshed, rejuvenated, but not like a different person. So let's dive into that a little bit more. What does natural actually mean, particularly in the context of aesthetic treatments? Well, to me, natural means that the work is undetectable to the naked eye. You appear more vibrant, you appear more youthful, but it should never be obvious that you've had any work done. A great analogy is, think of a classic piece of art. When you restore a masterpiece, the goal is to enhance its beauty without altering the essence of what makes it unique and valuable. Similarly, with personalized aesthetic treatments, what I am aiming for is to amplify your own natural beauty without changing your fundamental appearance. And that is really what it boils down to. What about the science then behind achieving these natural results? In my mind, natural results is all about precision, and it requires a deep understanding of facial anatomy, the properties of the various injectables, and the interplay of light and shadow on the skin. When you think about it, when you look at somebody's contours, really what we are seeing is the way that the light bounces off certain areas of the face and the way that shadows are created where the light does not reach. So for example, neuromodulators like Botox are used to relax specific muscles, but using them too liberally can freeze the face and it makes it look unnatural. The skill comes in knowing exactly how much to use and where to place it for the most subtle yet effective result. And that all starts with a comprehensive consultation. This is where I get to know you, I get to know your goals, I get to know your concerns, I get to know your medical history, and I compare this part of the process to really customizing a suit. It must be tailored precisely to fit you perfectly. During this consultation, I often take pictures, digital pictures, so that we can then draw out the customized treatment plan for you. No two faces are identical, and no two treatment plans should be either. This approach ensures that we maintain your unique facial expressions and your personality while enhancing your features. It's not about changing who you are. That's not what I'm going for. It's about helping you feel like the best version of yourself. So let's talk a little bit about some of these techniques, some of the technologies. We use advanced tools and the latest technology at anti-aging, and I'll give you one example. We use PRP, platelet-rich plasma, and Threadlifts. These allow us to achieve those natural-looking results. And platelet-rich plasma is actually using your own blood to rejuvenate your skin. In other words, we're actually using your own natural product to generate natural results. That is about as natural as you can get. It's like using nature's own fountain of youth. Of course, none of this would be possible without a foundation of safety and expertise. You've heard me talk about my 5 pillars in the past: safety, customization, expertise, natural results, and enjoyable experiences. And these pillars guide every decision that I make in my practice. Safety always comes first, followed closely by ensuring that the treatments are customized and conducted with the highest level of expertise. One of the best compliments I've ever received came from a patient who said, "I look like myself, just well-rested and happy." And that is exactly the goal. This patient was so pleased. The particular treatment that I had done was actually lip filler. And she said that she looked like herself. The lips looked like hers, but just a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more healthy, a little bit more volume. But unless you actually knew something was done there, you probably would have a hard time telling that. And it's stories like those that underscore why I love what I do. So I encourage you to embrace your natural beauty. That's the essence of this podcast episode. And to see the aesthetic treatments as a way to highlight your best features, not to mask them. Remember, the goal is to create a refreshed, rejuvenated version of yourself that exudes confidence, sculpted confidence, as I like to say. And that's what we have for today's episode. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or want to schedule a consultation. You can find me on Instagram at Dr. Teri Fisher or visit my website, drterifisher.com. Thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful week. Be well, and I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks for listening to today's episode of Anti-Aging Insights. Stay tuned to discover more of the latest news, treatments, technologies, and developments in non-surgical cosmetic and anti-aging medicine. For more inspiration, to access the show notes, or to book an appointment with Dr. Fisher, Dr. Frame, or any of the other anti-aging professionals, please visit our website at antiagingvancouver.com. Until next time, stay inspired and live life well.